Hey guys, I'm Tim. A while ago I went to replace my car's alternator. A few months earlier I paid a mechanic to replace the alternator on my wife's car, and it really hurt my wallet. So on my car, I didn't think I had the money to pay a mechanic to do it, and I kind of wanted to learn it myself. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, got the right replacement part after 2 tries, and generally struggled with the troubleshooting. And then I struggled some more with the actual removal and replacement. It really didn't go the way I thought it would. I did as much as I could, as fast as I could do it, and still be safe. It still took me several days. After all that, I ended up spending more on new tools than I would have spent just paying a shop to do the repairs for me. Now the cool thing is that you can swap the alternator yourself if you want to. No matter what, you'll have to buy the replacement alternator, but you can shop around for the best price. Replacement alternators cost somewhere between $100 and $600 depending on whether you buy a refurbished or new part. But if you can swap it yourself, you'll probably end up saving something like $120 or $150 in labor. Now there's 5 things you guys need to do so you don't make the same mistakes I made, where you can replace your alternator, save some money, and actually learn how to do it in the process. Number 1, you need to find your car's manual online. Now over at my website, smartcarguy.com, I have a special search engine where you can find your car's manual. Number 2, you need to correctly figure out the exact alternator you need. At my website, smartcarguy.com, I have a couple of search engines where you can find the alternator number just by typing in your car details. Number 3, you're going to need my car repair calculator app. Now this way you can figure out whether it's worth it to do the job yourself. Number 4, you're also going to need the right tools and equipment. If you don't already have them, you'll need to buy them, borrow them, or rent them. Number 5, I'm also going to give you my car repair checklist, which I've included with the app so you can make a bulletproof plan. Now in order to start using my calculator and checklist right away, make sure you go to my website at smartcarguy.com. Thanks again for watching. Check out my other videos and make sure you subscribe so I can teach you the quickest way to get your car back on the road.